how to set up quick replies in WhatsApp and how to use them in case maybe you want to send someone that quick reply. Okay, now I'm in my WhatsApp. If I want to access quick replies, I just do a /. Okay, now this one works when you're using business WhatsApp. Okay, business WhatsApp, you have to be having business WhatsApp. So if I want to reply to this person with maybe my pricing for website design, I just select this, or I just call a shortcut N. Okay, then I will just select that message and I send. So I don't have to retype all this, because I may realize like have a lot of people, and you know, sometimes I'm running an ad and I just have to send this message to everyone. So that's why I set up auto replies on WhatsApp. Okay, how do you set up this? You kind of do a / that in the conversation with that person, you click on that edit pencil, quick replies will come. Now there's that plus icon to add a quick reply. So you click on that plus, give it a shortcut. A shortcut is a letter that you can easily type to call this conversation. So I can just put maybe a letter C or something. Okay, so you have to put on a shortcut, you have to put a letter, then a reply message, then you kind of put a reply message, maybe call my receptionist, then you can put a number. So in case of instead of actually typing all this message again, you can just actually program these quick replies. Okay, and that is it. All right, so that is how you set up this quick replies in WhatsApp. The WhatsApp has to be a business. So if you're calling maybe a shortcut code, if I can have if I put here a forward, you know, forward, that forward, then I put I'll be calling a shortcut for which I saved as A. So I'm in a meeting, call my manager, something like that. Okay, you can also edit these WhatsApp, these quick replies, by also doing the same, just / then you just click on edit, then you can actually even edit this. Okay, you can even delete them if you want. So that's how you can actually activate quick replies in your WhatsApp, especially for some of you who have actually different replies for different people. My WhatsApp, I use it for different businesses, so I can't really set up one auto reply. I have to actually call different replies for different businesses. Okay, if you're interested in videos like this, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel. If this video really helped you a lot, you can really leave me a like, okay, or a comment. See you in the next video, and bye-bye.